how to send message with ManyChat. So first go to ManyChat and then just click on the automation here at the left side. Next is just click on new automation here at the top and then click on start from scratch. Now from here you need a trigger and the next step. So first a trigger, click on new trigger here and then choose your channel. So I'll just choose messenger here and then choose your trigger. So I'll just choose user sends a message. Okay, now from here you just need to select one of the options here. So let's say I'm going to choose the AI option here, and then I'll just type in anything. Let's say person is asking about our products. So let's say one user is asking about our products. You just need to click on create here. Now this is our trigger. So whenever someone messages us and that message is the person is asking about a product, then we'll set up the next step is this is what we're going to send to them. Okay, now select messenger again, and then this is where you can add your message. So just type in your message. So let's say, hi, this is our product information, something like that, and then just blah blah blah, type in all of your product information here and then click anywhere and then just click on set live. Now if you want to preview, just click on preview here. Now it would look like this whenever you send a message to them using this automation. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.